Hi, today is my cleaning day. I clean my washroom. These are my favorite cleaning gadgets. The fragrance window spray multi-purpose, the squeaky, the microfiber cloth, the Vim, any brand, any name, the sponge, Dawn, Lysol wipes. If you need it, you can use the Bounty or any other, cleaning towel, and spraying the bathroom sprayer. And look the results. I'm very proud of it, and it doesn't take that long, by the way. I have a big bathroom, but if you have a small washroom or a medium-sized washroom, it doesn't take that long. I just cleaned my washroom today and the tub. I'm proud of my washroom cleaning. So if you are proud of your washroom cleaning, you can share with your pictures. I love to see the washroom pictures. The clean and the beautiful, nice, tidy. It doesn't take that long. Just spray a multi-purpose window for the smell and the Vim, and just rubbing, a good rubbing and rinses. That's it. And clean with your microfiber cloth, and you're done. So these are my cleaning tools, and it's very easy if you are the one who don't like to clean the washrooms like me, not that often. But when you want to clean, use these things. It's pretty fast, just like 1 2 3 and you're done. And I just clean my bowl and just finish here and clean the floors. So see, share your pictures of your washroom, and I will be happy to see. And if you like my video and you want to see more videos, you can subscribe my channels.